everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Eunice Plans, and I am here to plan another memory spread for the week of August 10th through August 16th using this beautiful kit from Blushandindigo called Oasis. And I am also pulling in this deco sheet from the Sweet Planner. It's kind of a tropical deco sheet because this was technically the week that I should have been floating down the river with my family. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and speed you guys up and lay down the base, and then I will get back to you with the day to day.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you.
Okay, heaven help me. Take number 15,827 of this voiceover. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to mark on Monday is that I uploaded my plan with me. This is the same stuff that I mark every single week. You would think that I'd have it down by now, but I don't. I don't know why voiceovers are so absolutely ridiculous to record. It's like I love editing, I love filming, I love laying the stickers down. I love it. And when I have Q&As, I love doing Q&As, but I absolutely cannot stand recording voiceovers. Okay, rant over. Anyways, so I just marked that I uploaded my plan with me on this day, and to mark that I used a couple pieces of deco from the kit. That foiled working girl is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. I just recently hauled those. Haul will be coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. That upload plan with me script is from my mom's shop, and that flourish is from Sweet Bella XOXO. Then I wanted to mark that I taught a HIIT cardio class on Zoom on this day, so I layered 2 flags, a piece of deco, and that sports bra is from my newest addiction. And then I wanted to mark that I had some me time. I exfoliated, shaved my legs, did all that good stuff. To mark that I used a half box from the kit. That beautiful floral foiled deco piece is from Letters from Lay, and that bathtub icon is from GL Designs Group. Then I wanted to mark that I had a really awesome bestie day with 3 of my best friends. We went out and got some froyo, which was much needed. And to mark that, I used another piece of botanical florals from Letters from Lay. That palm leaf is from the kit, and then that blush frame box is from Sweet Bella XOXO. That Best Friends Forever heart is from the Sassy Planner Co. And Bestie Day is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. It is a custom that she made for me. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I slept in on this day. And to mark that, I am using a scalloped quarter box from the kit. That sleep mask is from GL Designs Group. The sleep in script is from my mom's shop. And then that little flourish, that little swirly flourish is another one from Pink Polka Dot Lily. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband deep cleaned our house, and I mean scrubbed the floors, hands and knees, all that good junk on this day. So to mark that, I'm using a half box from the kit. That palm leaf is another piece of deco from the Sweet Planner. The icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the cleaning day script is from the kit, and then that little divider is actually from Crafts by Towie as well. Then I took 2 mini mandalas and I did kind of like a makeshift half quarter box type of a thing, and I took a floral frame box from Crafts by Towie and put that in the center, and that play script is from my mom's shop, and this little controller is from Crafts by Towie, and that's to mark that me and my husband played some Assassin's Creed Black Flag together. We are doing a playthrough of that, which is pretty cool. He's playing, I'm watching. It's great. Then to finish off, I wanted to mark that I did some studying. So I cut a flag out of a quarter box and layered that over top of another quarter box. That book icon is from Honey Inked over top of a piece of deco. The study script is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. Then to finish off the night, I did just a quick arm workout. So I used a confetti foiled circle from Netty Designs. That barbell icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the workout script is from my mom's shop. Jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark that I taught another HIT class via Zoom on this day. So I took another piece of deco from the Sweet Planner sheet and I cut it in half. By the way, this particular sheet of deco was a little bit finicky to work with because in between the palm leaves is cut, like it's kiss cut, so you had to be really careful when taking them off of the actual sheet because if you weren't careful they would tear. So I tore a couple of the palm leaves, which was really sad, and hopefully I salvaged them decently. But you know, so just keep that in mind when you're working with florals and whatnot. Sometimes they're kiss cut and they're very delicate. Okay, so basically I just marked that I had a HIT class, and to mark that I used a frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO, and that Zoom workout Ava is from Planning Like a Pro. Then I took a vine divider from Letters from Lay in between there, and then I layered a confetti circle from Netty Designs over top of a quarter box. That envelope is from Rose and Tea Shop, and the Happy Mail script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark that my brother, who is overseas in Scotland, FaceTimed me, so I layered 2 of the thicker flags from the kit over top of each other. I took a lace divider from Honey Inked and put that over top of that. Those heart clusters are also from Honey Inked, and that phone is from Planning Like a Pro. Then I wanted to mark that I finished off my night with a lot of studying, so I took another half box from the kit and I used the second half of that deco piece from the top of the day and put that in the corner of this half box, and that desk is from Planning World, and the study script is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign, and then I put a mini bow flourish from Rose Colored Days. Jumping over to Thursday, I wanted to mark that I slept in, but I did it a little differently, and I actually saw this technique on Instagram from I can't pronounce her name, so I'll insert her handle on the screen here. But she does amazing things with these mandalas from Honey Inked, so I totally got this idea from her, kind of varied it up a little bit. She's absolutely talented. Definitely go give her a follow because, oh my goodness, her spreads are absolutely bomb, and she needs to make a YouTube channel, I swear. But I just used another blush frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO, a couple of pieces of deco from the kit. That sleep mask is from Letters from Lay, and the sleep in script is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign, and the mandalas are of course from Honey Inked. Then I wanted to mark that I had a Hulu binge, so I used a teardrop from the kit and I layered a TV from Planning Like a Pro over top of that. The Hulu binge script is from my mom's shop, and I layered that over top of a couple of the heart clusters from Honey Inked. Then I wanted to mark that I filmed my sticker haul on this night, so to mark that I'm using a half box from the kit. The little camera icon is from Netty Designs. That floral foil deco piece is from Letters from Lay, and those sticker sheets are from those are from Planning World, not my newest addiction. Then I wanted to finish off the night with a workout, and to mark that I took another piece of deco from the Sweet Planner and I layered a quarter box over top of that. I took a piece of floral deco from Letters from Lay, and then I layered a dumbbell from Planning World over top of that, and the workout script is from my mom's shop, Boodlesdoodlesdesign. Jumping over to Friday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I taught yet another fitness class via Zoom on this day. So I just layered a Zoom workout Ava over top of those heart clusters from Honey Inked. And then I pulled in this half box to mark that me and my husband did a huge grocery run on this day. We try to space out our grocery trips several weeks out. So when we do go grocery shopping, it's like kind of overwhelming. But anyways, I wanted to layer another piece of deco over top of that. So I took a palm leaf from the Sweet Planner, and then that vine deco piece is from Honey Inked. That shopping bag is from the Fox and Pip, and the shopping script is from the kit. And then I took that squiggle flourish thing, and that is from My Newest Addiction. Then I wanted to mark that I went over to my parents' house on this night. My sister came over and brought all of her kids, and so we kind of just hung out and had some fun with them. I love it whenever I get to see the nieces and the nephews. So I took this vine scallop box from Panda Bird Design, and I layered another piece of deco from the Sweet Planner over top of that. And then I will take a house from Rose and Tea Shop to mark that I went over to my parents' house, and the family time script is from the kit. Then I wanted to mark that for dinner, me and my husband just had some roast beef sandwiches, some like roast beef sub sandwiches. So to mark that, I just took a little quarter box label from the kit, and then I used this little, I pulled in an emoji. I know, I pulled in a little character sticker. I haven't done that in a minute, but it's a little sandwich eating emoji, and I thought he was just too cute not to use, so I just put him in the little box to mark that we had roast beef sandwiches for dinner on this night. Then to finish off the evening, I wanted to mark that I played some Animal Crossing, did some more work on my island. By the time I'm done with my island, I'm pretty sure Animal Crossing is going to be a little bit irrelevant. Well, maybe not so, because I adore Animal Crossing, but to mark that, I just used another piece of deco from the Sweet Planner. The switch is from Planning Like a Pro. The play script is from My Mom's Shop, and that bow flourish is from Rose Colored Days. Jumping over to Saturday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that this was a really lazy day. So to mark that, I'm using a piece of vine deco from Honey Inked, and I layered a bowstring box from the Giving Girl over top of that, and then another piece of deco from the Sleep Planner over top of that. The script is from the kit, and those pajamas are from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I used our crock pot on this night, and it was my very first time using our crock pot. We've had it for over a year, and I've been kind of intimidated to use it, but I actually got brave enough to actually use it on this night. I made some beef tips. It was really great. So I used a quarter box from the kit, another confetti circle from Nitty Designs, and then that's actually an Instant Pot, but we're gonna pretend like it's a crock pot. That is from Crafts by Towie. And then I wanted to mark that I went running on this day. I ran a good 2 miles. So I used another teardrop from the kit, and I layered those shoes from the GP Studio over top of it. And then those star clusters are from Honey Inked, and the run script is from My Mom's Shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. Then I wanted to mark that I filmed my plan with me, so I layered 2 half boxes over top of each other. I took a lace trim divider from Honey Inked to kind of add some foil and some zhuzh to the top of that. That camera is from Nitty Designs. The film plan with me script is from My Mom's Shop, and those 2 little floral pieces are from the kit. Then on Sunday, I wanted to mark that I subbed a HIT class from the same platform that I teach my HIT classes through. She was out of town, so I filled in for her as an instructor. So I took 2 mini mandalas, and I framed in this half circle thing that came with the kit, and I used a barbell from Planning World to mark that I taught the HIT class. And then I pulled in this little squiggly flourish from Pink Polka Dot Lily. I've been pulling in a lot of flourishes and stuff from Pink Polka Dot Lily. It is great. Then I wanted to mark that I uploaded my PP Weeks plan with me on this day. So I used a half box from the kit. That piece of deco is from the kit. That planner is from Crafts by Towie, and the upload plan with me script is from My Mom's Shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. Then I wanted to mark that I did some studying on this day, so I used that leopard print computer from the Sweet Planner. I took some heart clusters and some little twinkle stars from Honey Inked to mark over top of that to give it some zhuzh and some character. And then that study script is again from My Mom's Shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign, and that beautiful like mandala divider is from Honey Inked. This actually came on Rachel from Gathered Plans' new freebie. Like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna need an entire sheet of that. So yeah, that completes the spread for this week. I'm just adding the weekend banner. Here are the leftovers for the kit and for the deco sheet from the Sweet Planner. Here is a Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and for suffering through my voiceover. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!